I've been holding back a bit. Okay, let's get this out of the way. I've never liked a video, never subscribed to a channel, but I've watched years of YouTube, learned how to DIY entire houses from it. Roofing, framing, foundations, flips, everything. And not once did I hit that little bell. Not even when a video literally saved my foundation. I just watched it, replayed it 17 times, squinted through the buffering, and moved on, like a ghost in the algorithm. But while I was doing that, I learned how to roof at 9 years old, started a business at 18, flipped houses, took wrecks and turned them into real homes. And somewhere along the way, I met someone just as stubborn as I was. And together, we built our dream home from scratch. Just me and my boyfriend, armed with used tools, sketchy ladders, a YouTube addiction, and a whole lot of stubborn optimism. No big crew, no formal training, just two people figuring it out, one problem at a time. And no, I still didn't subscribe. I just kept watching in silence, focused, obsessed, proud of how much I could figure it out on my own. And honestly, kind of blind to how much I didn't know. But now I'm finally doing the thing I never thought I would. I'm turning the camera around, and I'm gonna show you how we did it all. Not just the walls and the roofs, but the furniture we reupholstered, the pillows we made, the art on our walls, built from scraps. If it could go into a house, we've probably made it. And this channel, it's where I show you the how. When I bought my first house, everything changed. That's when I went full deep dive mode, not just into fixing stuff, but into how people succeed, how they think, how they build, what habits they have, and how success leaves a trail, if you know where to look. I stopped waiting for someone to show me what to do and just started. No plan, or at least that's how it looked. Just quiet focus, a lot of pausing and rewinding, and way too many hours trying to figure out what to even search next. So I started learning everything. How to lay bricks, how to excavate, how to pour concrete, frame a house, install windows, choose insulation, fix structural issues. If it could be researched, guessed, or pieced together, I probably did it. And usually with the most portable tools I can find. Because I didn't want to lug around giant equipment. I just wanted to get it done. So I got scrappy, and it worked. We started flipping houses, and not just the cute kind. I'm talking water in the crawl space, no kitchen, roof collapsing. Yeah, we had some experience, but we weren't a big crew. We were the crew, just me and my favorite human, doing the whole thing. We made the vanities, built the kitchen cabinet, poured our own concrete countertops. We were the roofers, the landscapers, and the tilers. We even staged the houses ourselves, using our own furniture. Packed up our living room just to sell someone else's dream. Every project was a puzzle, and every time we finished one, we were a little stronger, a little smarter, a little more convinced that we can actually do this. And we did. These rundown properties turned into dream homes. And that taught me something wild. You don't need permission to build your dream life. You just need a curious mind and the guts to try. So here's what this channel is. It's for people who want to build something, a project, a home, a new version of themselves. It's for the ones who get obsessed with an idea, who stay up late researching insulation types, or watching someone frame a subfloor from 2008, and feel more alive doing that than scrolling anything else. It's for the people who don't wait for a blueprint. They make one, even if it's messy, even if it's scribbled on the back of a receipt. Because that's how we did it. No formal training, no big crew, just two people figuring it out. One task, one failure, one win at a time. I'm going to share the stuff I wish I would have known earlier. The fails, the weird moments, the days I questioned everything because the drywall mud cracked or a wall didn't line up. And the moments that somehow worked. Not perfectly, but perfectly enough. If you've ever asked yourself, am I doing this right? Or why does everyone else seem to know what they're doing? This channel's for you. Because I didn't have the answers either. I just kept going, kept building, and slowly things started to make sense. The paint stained clothes, the paint in my hair, dinner eaten on upside down buckets. This isn't just about home building, it's about self-building. So whether you're here for the tips, the tools, or just to see how a 9-year-old accidentally started a construction career, stick around. Because in the next video, I'm telling the story that started it all. My dad taught me roofing at 9, and it changed everything. No safety gear, no prep talk, just let's build it. That one Saturday flipped a switch in my brain and laid the foundation of everything I've built since. So yeah, I've never liked a video, never subscribed, but I still built an entire life from YouTube. And now it's my turn to give back what I've learned, to show the messy, unfinished, real stuff, the chipped tools and the crooked cuts, the part where the trusses don't line up, and you're eating instant noodles surrounded by sawdust. This isn't just construction. This is becoming someone who builds. So whether you're just getting started or deep in the reno spiral already, welcome. You're in the right place. And hey, if you subscribe, you'll officially be doing more than I ever did.